This tenant left a lot of junk here that had to be taken out to the curb. It's no big deal. Akron allows you 3 large pickups a year, so every once in a while you have to do this. I just called up my maintenance guy, and he came down here and helped me carry it all out. I use the same paint scheme on all of my properties. That makes it easier to come in and repaint or touch up if that's all it needs before a new tenant moves in. I just use a semi-gloss white on the trim and do a couple coats on that. When I'm repainting over a previous color, I think this time I had to use 3 coats though. Then I use a Saxon gray flat paint on all the walls. I also put new window blinds on all these windows. They're the cordless ones that you just pull down and pull them up and down. They work real easily. My wife helped me out with the cleaning on this property. I have a wonderful wife. Her name is Kelly, and she has her own channel called Confident Finance. And on that channel, she helps people to get control of their finances, how to get out of debt, and I'll put a link down in there to her channel as well if you're interested in learning how to get control of your finances. I decided to put new ceiling fans in this property, in the kitchen and one in the bedroom as well. This is a quick, easy way to add some value to the property, and tenants like to have fans especially in the kitchen, but also in the bedroom to keep cool. I have an affiliate link in the description of this video for Amazon, and I list a lot of the supplies I use in my properties. You can save a lot of money by buying things in bulk. So I purchased the same ceiling fans, window blinds, and if you click on that link, I'll get a commission for that. It won't cost you anything extra. I also have some tools in there that I use for inspecting properties before I purchase them. If you like watching walkthroughs of old abandoned houses, take a look at this playlist right here. I put this together from several of the properties that I've looked at in the past few months. Hope you've enjoyed this video. This is Kevin with the Compulsive Investor Channel.